for my least favorite dungeon.
High Speaker Eirik. Or is it just Eirik now? He's fled from the Hall of Awakening into the Stone Vault. He's probably running like a frightened mouse. Wee, sleepy, cowering, beastie.
Your ascension is complete.
Did the shaman die?
No?
I don't see anything on the death count.
Cause he like, I don't know if he had to swap something again, but he ran out and came back again.
Not doing very much DPS.
Your ascension is complete.
One's marked.
Yep, the opposite. I put the hunter's mark on it. You guys see my hunter's mark?
Yeah.
Yeah. I actually
That
didn't
in
mark
mind,
it,
I
so I
mean-
don't know who marked it.
I mean, a big arrow pointing at someone's probably a good idea to DPS that one first.
Your ascension is complete.
It also gives you a DPS buff the first 20%.
Is that
Alright, let me stabilize y'all and sit.
titanic earthing technology enhanced with magic weapons? Brilliant.
I don't have big wigs or anything, so might need you to call out the Seismic Smash Man.
Okay. Alright, should be good. Segment smashing 10. What's weird though is I don't see a debuff on you.
It's after the first one.
Oh, okay, that's right.
Now he should have the debuff.
Seismic smashing 7. Hopefully I did that in time.
Yeah, I think so.
We're still alive. That's a good sign.
Right.
And
3. Dispelling.
Your ascension is complete.
8.
Dispelling. Ten. Dispelling. Eight. Sitting. 50, 60,
Looks like the main door's locked.
70, and I stood up for some reason. That was weird.
Console.
Your ascension is complete.
And whatever that thing is hurts. Still gonna have to sit again, bro. Just be careful. 40, 50, 60, 70. Silenced.
Your ascension is complete.
Good on, man.
Yep. Marking one if you wanna. I don't know which one you got, Hunter's Mark. That one was me.
Oh, you poor shit.
Yeah.
Bounce, here we go.
Use those defenses if you got them.
Your ascension is complete.
So I'm about to have to blow a lot of cooldowns here. I couldn't get everything, man.
Yeah, I was running out of all of this stuff.
I simply wish you had lasted a little longer.
I just suck 'cause I was trying to get the affix and It's like if I don't get the fix, we're definitely screwed. But if I get the fix, then I'm not healing. So it's kind of like.
Your ascension is complete.
Easy.
Downside is I'm really short on cooldowns right now.
A golem fused with scars and corruption?
I think this one hurts too much for me, so it'll just be a DPS thing.
Alright, you're good. I'm just gonna food buff in 1 second. Did I really clip it too soon? Now these orbs I can grab, right?
Yeah. Shouldn't grab all of them. It should be spread out. But they
Your
buff
ascension
us, the orbs.
is complete.
Dude, why is this shaman's buddy asking to join our group? It's like,
Especially in the middle of the key.
yeah, and he was spam clicking it too, man.
Got those down too quick.
Yeah, we did.
Your ascension is complete.
I'll get these. Careful, they're close.
Look for a service tunnel nearby. You should be able to take a mine cart back to central processing.
I'm gonna sit. $80. You're good.
Your ascension is complete.
Paul. Paul. Gonna see these bench.
Yeah. Ooh.
Your ascension is complete.
Ah. Sorry. I hate those affixes, man, because they come at like the worst possible time. And whatever that is that sunders armor there hurts.
I'm noticing I'm having to click my buttons twice, like when I mouse click.
Hmm.
I don't know what's causing.
Yes, let's not do a big group again.
Yeah, not right away anyway.
Why can't I get over this thing? Dwarf problems.
Your ascension is complete.
Oh, here they come.
Incoming.
I don't got anything for all these things that are popping off.
Your ascension is complete.
You're gonna lust on this boss.
In the
Yeah.
Fanatically loyal, no doubt.
Let me just top you off.
Your ascension
Out of the room, don't have to keep corner.
is complete. Only the strongest.
What got me there?
survive.
Out of the room.
Your ascension is complete.
Oh, I think the big magma's what hit me, and I didn't realize it. Wow.
That's what I thought.
All right, we gotta find a safe spot.
It's just inside of the room.
Look for another main cart. If it's here,
Yeah, I just
we might as
must have
well
just
take
ate
the
that thing and not realized it.
The warrior took the shortcut.
Downside is I can't see the arrows right now. And of course, they're all going towards y'all over there.
Your ascension is complete.
There he is. Look at him. Beyond saving. That seems like poetic justice, but let's finish this.
Stampede's fine.
Alright. As long as we don't screw up, boys, we might be able to do this.
Totems.
Totems, totems, totems.
Your ascension is complete.
Totems up. I don't have anything for
Double
these.
ion.
Got orbs. Ah. I don't know why mine didn't go off. Totems up. Totems up. totem.
Your ascension is complete.
Go, go, go. Ah.
Going in.
Totem's up. Totem's up.
Your ascension is complete.
Should be good. I got 86. And 3 minutes till loss, so I don't have it this time. I need a totem bad.
Your ascension is complete.
Blasted.
I don't know why that warrior didn't go for a... Oh, you need a portal.
Your ascension
Wow.
is complete.
Crap. Couldn't make it to the portal. Got all the fixes over there too.
Less.
Nice, good job. And we got us a new